Welcome back to the Crochet Crowd. So it's my friends over at yarnspirations.com. This is the final video of our series. It's the final fringe and it has a curly kind of fringe going on, and I'll show you how to do that. So this is the very last page of the instructions, and we're only gonna go once across on the top and the bottom edge, and it's actually really quite straightforward. You will need a tape measure in order to do this, or get something that is pretty much the same length of what you're trying to do, and then I'll show you how to do this next. Let's begin the twisted fringe. So looking at the right side of the project, let's just join and going in. So I'm just going to join it, and then we're going to begin our fun stuff as we're working our way across. So to start, we're going to just chain up one, and then what we need to do is pull up a loop that it's about 8 inches. So just pull this so it's about 8 inches up. Now a piece of paper is 8.5, so you might want to use your pattern. You can. Don't go all the way to the top, but go pretty close to it because it's 8.5 inches. And just be consistent with this. So when you relax it, it will be looking right. So now that you have this, you have to spin this a total of 30 times. So just start spinning. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. So once you do this, watch what happens. It spins. Okay? So then you're just gonna go into the next stitch, and you're going to slip stitch through that one and through the loop that has been on, like that. And what you can just do is just pull it open, and it will spin naturally onto itself. Okay. So just get it to go. There you go. See? So let's try it again. So right where we are, pull up a loop about 8 inches. I'm measuring it to almost the size of a piece of paper. And then once you have it done, we're gonna spin 30 times. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 26, 28, 29, 30. Now that I have 30, I go to the next one and I slip stitch through that one and through the one on the hook, and then I just open it. So about halfway point, and then just start allowing it to twist, and there you go. Okay, so that's how you're gonna do the fringe. You're gonna work your way all the way across doing the same thing. It does matter on the length, so make sure you try to get to your 8 inches, and then you're just gonna do all the way across, and therefore you have the fringe, and then you're just gonna turn the work to the other, finish off and then turn the work. I've already shown how to fasten off in the last 2 videos, but what you can just do then is turn it and do the other side of the blanket. So if this is the top, then do the bottom and vice versa, and that would be how you do the fringe. And then that's it for today. So this will then conclude off your video or your series. I hope that you have enjoyed this. We've learned a lot along the way, a lot of new stitches for our toolbox, and this has been actually a really fun project even for me behind the scenes, because I've learned something new and I've actually pulled something from here and applied it to a future project in the future. So have a good one, and thank you so much for joining us on the Crochet Sampler Blues Afghan here with yarnspirations.com. Bye bye.